Hello, Dwayne. This is the SQL that I used to create the view of my male and female A1Cs. So, as you can see, I drop the view if it exists, and then I go ahead and create it, and I'm calling it A1Cs both, and that just stands for male and female. I'm selecting several fields from my demographics table, as well as several tables from my glycinated, my A1C table. I could have also selected fields from my coronary risk factor table or my microvascular table, but in this case I only chose to select fields from the two tables I mentioned before. And as you can see, I've already executed the create view, and I have the view created over here. I'll just go ahead and select rows just to show that it works. And you can see here, I'll go ahead and expand that a little bit so we can see a few more records. So if you notice, we skipped some records here, and that's because not all of my records in the demographics table are male and female. There are a couple that are unknown, and there's one that is transgender, male to female. But in my create, we didn't select for that because that wasn't part of the assignment, and I didn't feel like that would be part of the view at this point. That would be a special case, so I only selected M or F. Just to show you what I'm talking about, I'll go ahead and select all my demographics. And I'll show you in there that the genders that I have, here they go. So most of them, of course, are male or female, but there's one that's unknown, and there's another one that M2F, which stands for transgender male to female, that I just thought I should include. So there's my there's the select from the view, there's the create view, and then there's another part of the assignment was to create a view that selected all of the patients with an A1C of 6.5 or greater, which I do here, and that view is represented here. And I'll go ahead and select that to show that, in fact, yes. Well, first of all, let's make sure that it worked right. So it did, and it selected 13. So there are 13 members in my database who have an A1C of 6.5 or greater. And you can see over here the A1C is listed there. I'm calling it a GC_GH level, which the GH stands for glycan. Oh, I forget exactly what it stands for. But anyway, it's really the A1C is what that means. So I'm going to go ahead and upload those, and hopefully it'll work out great. Thank you.